Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. So for this makeup, I'm first gonna start moisturizing my skin. This toner right here, and just pat it down on my face because hydration is the most important thing. And obviously my toner, I've said it before that it works as a primer and it's just very good for my makeup. So yeah, and also it hydrates my skin quite well. After everything is absorbed, I go in with my 30-day miracle cream. This cream is like a gel cream, so it doesn't make me feel too oily during the day, but it still hydrates enough for my makeup to stay put the whole day and it doesn't get too cakey. And yeah, I pat it until it's dry, and then I go in with my sunscreen to protect my face from that sun. I'm showing you guys how I prep my skin before I put any other products like makeup so it just stays put all day and looks as natural as possible. So yeah, for my concealer I use the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer, and I like to put just one dot in each eye and let it dry a little bit so I don't use too much product. And then I also put it in all the places where I have like a little pimple or any discoloration. So yeah, you're gonna see me put that all over my face to be honest. Now that I've covered all my imperfections and discoloration, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with my finger. The ones around my face I'm blending first because I don't let it dry too much like my under eye. Okay, so I've let the concealer dry for a little bit, and now I'm just kind of dragging it down so I can get more coverage, and I'm just vibing here to Romeo Santos. But yeah, while I vibe, this is why girls take so long to get ready, yo, because like we just start vibing. But anyway, yeah, I'm just spreading it all over my under eye, and it's a little bit too light for me, but I've started to like that because it just helps give a little bit more of dimension to my face. Like it just, the brighter like parts just look more out there, if that makes sense. And yeah, it's like kind of like contouring but reverse contouring, if you get what I mean. So yeah, now I'm just gonna blend the other eye and go over with a beauty blender to get out of the marks that my finger kind of left on my concealer. So yeah, just to have like a smooth base and it looks more natural this way, and it also takes the excess product out. Because some product stayed on my beauty blender, I continue to pat it all over my face so it just kind of like the rest of the product goes evenly across my face and it doesn't leave any harsh marks between my skin and the concealer. After this, I'm gonna take some setting powder, well, translucent powder, and just like dab it all over parts where I put concealer. So, and I also usually put it like on my shiny areas that I know I'm gonna get shinier during the day, so it just kind of controls the oil. After I set everything in, I do my eyebrows, and today I want to go with a more natural eyebrow, so I'm going to use eyeshadow instead of pomade because I feel like this just makes them look more natural. And then I repeat the same process for my other eyebrow, and then I put some clear gel so the hairs stay in place for the whole day. Now using my bronzer shade, I'm gonna put some on my eyelids to give it a bit more depth on my eyelids, so this also creates a bit more of a cat eye look without using any eyeliner, and it just looks really natural. After covering my eyelids, I'm gonna go under my eyes now to create more of a bigger look so my eyes don't look too small and just kind of opens up my eye more. And then with this little brush, I'm gonna use a darker brown and gonna put it on my upper lash line to again create that fuller eyelash vibe. Now I'm gonna blend it with my finger so there's no harsh lines and everything is just blended nicely. Now using my curler, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes as usual and put some mascara, so that's gonna be my eyelashes for the day. I do have pretty long eyelashes, but sometimes I do miss my Aussies. But because this is a natural look, I'm just gonna wear some mascara, and that's it. For blush, I'm gonna use this pink tone eyeshadow, but I also use as a blush, and just, you know, put it on my cheeks. And this serves kind of like a contouring, so it's gonna help lift up them cheekbones and also give it more color to your face so you look nice and cute the whole day. I also love to put blush on my nose and on my chin because I think that makes it look way more natural, and I don't know, it just makes it look cuter and it makes your face look way lifted. For my lips, I'm using this lip tint and just using a little bit because I wanted to make it look as natural as possible but still give it a little bit more of that plump lip look that we all love. So yeah, just, you know, also I have Vaseline under so it makes it look shinier. As you can see, it's starting to come together and we're looking pretty. And now I just need my highlighter, which is this one from the Body Shop, with this little brush, and I just put it on the zones where, you know, the light's gonna hit your face. So it's like the cheekbones, the brow bone, the nose, and sometimes the cupid's bow too. So yeah, and I love this highlighter that's a little bit like on the pinky side, so it blends with my blush and it just makes it look very, very natural. And this is it, y'all. This is my final look. Yes, so now feeling ourselves a little bit, and yeah. Okay guys, so follow my social medias, my Insta, my Pinterest, and my TikTok. And yeah, thank you so much guys. See you guys next week. Bye.